To refine your content strategy, using scheduler insights is one of the most effective ways to understand your audience's preferences and adjust your content accordingly. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to leverage scheduler insights to make smarter, data-driven decisions about the content you create and post. First, let's talk about why scheduler insights matter. This tool tracks when your audience is most active, so you can schedule posts at the optimal time for maximum engagement. Instead of guessing when to publish, you'll have data-backed confidence to post at the exact right moment. Now, let's dive into how to use scheduler insights for refining your strategy. Open your software and navigate to the Insights or Analytics tab. You'll typically see a graph showing the days and times when your audience is most engaged. Focus on the time slots that consistently show higher engagement, because that's when your content will get the most traction. Next, compare this data with your current content calendar. If your posts aren't aligned with your audience's peak activity times, adjust your schedule. For example, if you notice more people are online in the evenings, try shifting your posts to those hours. This small change can lead to significantly better results. Now let's go a step further. Scheduler insights can also reveal which types of posts perform better at different times of the day. Are your video posts getting more likes and shares in the morning? Maybe carousel posts are performing better in the evening? Take note of these trends and use them to guide your content creation. This way, you're not just posting based on a schedule, but based on what's most likely to resonate with your audience. To refine your content even more, look at the content categories your audience engages with the most. Do they prefer tutorials, behind-the-scenes content, news updates? Scheduler insights can show you what type of content is consistently getting the best engagement. This allows you to focus on producing more of what your audience wants. You've probably tried a few content strategies already, but if you haven't used scheduler insights, you're missing out on the ability to target your audience with precision. The software we'll be using today is one of the best tools to help you do just that. And as a special offer for my viewers, there's an exclusive free trial available for you in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to follow along with the tutorial using the exact same software. To recap, here are the key points. First, use the insights from your scheduler to find out when your audience is most active. Then, adjust your content schedule accordingly to match those times. Next, identify which types of posts are working best at different times of the day and align your content strategy with these trends. And finally, look at your audience's preferences to fine-tune your content creation. The main takeaway here is that scheduler insights can completely transform your content strategy. By understanding the best times to post, which types of content work best, and what your audience prefers, you'll create more engaging content that resonates with your viewers. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.